So these are the inclusion in this cash register. So you only have like one food item, it's already destroyed. One popcorn. So it's not really good to have just one item in this set. It's actually the first time that I got a cash register place set, just one item to sell. And then of course you have some coins. You have like 50. I'm not sure if this is cents or it's like I don't know what kind of currency is this. And you have two cards, same card. Oh, so you got pink one here, pink one, and some, I don't know, regular credit cards. So made of cardboard material, so not durable. And you get some banknotes, 10, 20, 50, 100, 200, another, it says 200 here, but it's 500. Is it the yen sign? Is this Japanese money? But it looks like a euro money. If you have a Sydney Opera House here, this looks like a euro. This is Notre Dame in Paris. It's also in Paris, I think. And London. I don't know what kind of money is this. And let's check the cash register. It has this this one conveyor belt that doesn't work. You can only there's like food stickers here, and I don't know about this. Maybe you can swipe. Yeah, you can swipe the card here, and you have the scanner. Just remove the plastic. It is really lightweight, and you get this very simple scanner. Let me see, I turn this on. Oh, see if it works. 1 plus 1 equals 2. It works. It's just a sticker here. Let's see if this blips. Okay, got that LED light, and then doesn't give any price. You can put the money. Let's see. It doesn't make a ka-ching sound. So we're gonna put all the coins here. So we buy the popcorn, the only item in our store. Let's say it costs like 12 euros. And then pay by card. Let's see. And I can just put it back to 0 again.